I will tell you what, we are not going to be dealing with anything like that today. Now, I have been called a tornado of activity before because I have a lot of energy, and sometimes I just expel it in certain ways.
And a little chaotic sometimes. Yeah.
Leaving damage in
Damaging things, yeah.
Go on,
You
continue.
just came in and ruined the newscast. All right, let's go out there and talk about what's going on with that forecast. Okay, so we are looking at, some calmer weather than we had yesterday. We had a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings in our area yesterday. Nothing tornadic, mainly just straight line winds, looking like that's what we were kind of dealing with the threat for, and even a little small hail. But we did get a lot of rain in spots. It just dumped at my house. Actually, we picked up just under a half-inch of rain yesterday. So we're just throwing on top of what's already been a wet year. You can see we've got a lookout in the Heath Newark area. We are dealing with some clouds out that way, and we do have some clouds and some moisture showing up on our live Doppler 10 radar. I got to point out, though, you got to get to where the dark greens are and the yellows. That's where this is really getting down to the surface. A few sprinkles can't be ruled out here, but really any of the observations that I'm looking at are showing light rain out along the river, mainly down towards Athens, Meigs County. Again, I'm not going to rule out some light sprinkles out in between. It just looks like a little bit of that lighter rain, steadier rain out in the far southeast by the river. But this is slowly moving out of here. You can see from Portsmouth to Marietta, we can see just some light showers out that way and a couple of breaks trying to form in the clouds upstream. One thing we're looking at, those temperatures have been coming down a little bit. We were at 50 when we started the broadcast, right around 47 right now, 37 in Urbana. That cold air really working in the northwest, but we're still holding on to the 50s as you move on out into eastern and southeastern Ohio. Our wind chill factors, well, they are playing a factor in that comfort level. You can see winds anywhere from roughly 3 to 10 miles an hour across the Buckeye State, but that's enough to give us a little bite to the air. We have wind chill values near freezing in Urbana, 42 in town, in the low to mid 40s, low to mid 30s rather, in Delaware and out towards Marysville and whatnot. And you can see as we take a look at your current temperatures around the country, got a little pocket of cold air right there. What's happened is the jet stream taking a little dip over us that separates cold air to the north from warm air to the south and steers storms around the country. Basically, when you have that jet stream dip below you, you get the cooler air to work in, and that's what we're looking at today. We are going to be dropping a few more degrees, right around 44 degrees at 8 o'clock for you outdoor workers with your hour-by-hour forecast. 51 at lunchtime, 57 for an eventual high. Those clouds break up a little bit as we head through the day. A little cooler out there today. Clouds will gradually break through the afternoon, and we do have a few mornings of frost, and the reason why we have all this, that cold front came through here yesterday and brought us that cooler air. We're definitely going to be feeling it tomorrow morning. Actually, next couple of mornings have the potential for frost. Frost advisories out there tonight into tomorrow morning. But right around the mid-40s by 9, low 50s at lunchtime. We end up at about 57 for a high with those clouds breaking a little bit. Then we have some frost out there tonight. It will be clearing. It will be cool down to 36. We're looking at a high of 53 tomorrow. A chilly afternoon, more sunshine, and those winds aren't going to help. Tomorrow, those winds anywhere from around 10 to 20 miles an hour, gusting a little higher. So, yeah, it'll be a little bit chilly out there tomorrow, to say the least. 57 today, though. Those clouds are breaking up a little bit through the afternoon. Then we wake up with some frost on Wednesday, Thursday, and possibly Friday morning as well. Temperatures, though, steadily climbing from the low 50s on Wednesday, low 60s by Friday, back near average over the weekend. We'll watch clouds build on Saturday. Chance for some rain early on Sunday. Keep checking back. This is looking like that's going to be when it hits, but just in case it moves up, we'll let you know. And then the next thing we're watching would be late in the 10-day forecast. That will likely change, so we'll let you know on any updates with that.